Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the modem already provides internet. This prevents wasted troubleshooting later. Power the switch and ensure its power LED is steady, because unstable power breaks link negotiation. Next, take a quality Cat5e or Cat6 cable and plug the modem's LAN port into the switch's uplink or any switch port. This physically bridges the modem's WAN output to your local network. Once done, watch the link LEDs. Flashing indicates active negotiation and traffic flow beginning between devices. Once the physical link is up, determine whether you're using an unmanaged or a managed switch because the next steps differ. If it's managed, assign a management IP within the router subnet or enable DHCP so you can access the web/CLI. This lets you control VLAN and advanced features. Configure VLAN as needed. Set ports to access for endpoints and trunk between the switch and router if you use multiple VLAN. Also check MTU and disable unused services to reduce broadcast noise and collisions. You finish by validating that client devices receive IP addresses and proper gateway/DNS from the router. This confirms DHCP and routing are functioning. Then run ping to an external IP and traceroute to a domain name to verify both routing and DNS resolution. If both succeed, the network is online. If something fails, first inspect physical cables and link LEDs, then confirm switch port modes and management IP, and finally review modem/router logs. Those steps quickly isolate whether it's cabling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.